Hello, boys and girls. In lesson 5.7, we will be able to find commission by setting up and solving proportions and or by decimal multiplication. So let's take a look at what commission is. What is commission? Commission is earnings based on a percentage of the total amount of sales. So for example, if a car salesperson who earns 10% on car sales and sells $60,000 worth of cars would earn a commission of $6,000 or 10% of the $60,000. So let's take a look at our first example. Lisa is a real estate agent. She makes 5% commission on each house she sells. If her sales for the week are $750,000, how much did she earn in commission? So we could use proportions to solve this problem, or we could use decimal multiplication. So 5% is represented as 5 over 100, which is equal to the amount of her commission over the amount of her sales for the week. So when we cross multiply, we get 100x is equal to 3,750,000. When we divide by 100 on both sides, we get that Lisa's commissions are equal to $37,500. You can also use decimal multiplication to solve this by multiplying the sales by her percent commission. Again, as a decimal. So her sales are $750,000. And when we multiply that by the decimal represented as 5% or 0.05, we get again that her commissions are $37,500. When we look at our next example, Timmy is a computer salesman. He makes 5% commission on system sales. If Timmy's sales for the week are $15,300, how much did he earn in commission? Using proportions, I would put 5 over 100 is equal to x over 15,300. When I cross multiply, I would get 100x is equal to 76,500. When I divide by 100 on both sides, you then have $765. Again, by using decimal multiplication, I would do the percentage times the sales. So 15,300 times the percent as a decimal or 0.05 to give me the same amount, which is $765. In our next example, Molly makes money by commission rates. She gets 15% of everything she sells. If Molly sold $32,000 worth of items this month, what is her salary for the month? So again, 15 over 100 is equal to x over 32,000. When I cross multiply, I get 100x is equal to 480,000. When I divide by 100 on both sides, I get that X is equal to $4,800. Again, by using decimal multiplication, I would take my percent as a decimal and multiply it by the amount of money she sold. When I multiply them both together, I get the same answer, 4,800. So, what does the word quota mean? Well, when you have a quota, that means you have to meet a certain amount in sales. So Tanya's monthly quota is $14,000. That means she needs to sell $14,000 worth of items in order for her to meet her quota. So let's say this month she sold $25,000 worth of items. How much did she sell beyond the quota? We would subtract 25,000 by 14,000 to give us 9,000. So she sold $9,000 beyond her quota.